Hi, my friends, and welcome back to the Yoga House. This is my house where I do yoga, and I am so happy that you're here joining me today. Today, we are going to meet some animal friends in a story called Yogi Yogi. Can you say that with me? Yogi Yogi. And so when somebody does yoga, they can be called a yogi. That's why we're saying Yogi Yogi. So today we're going to meet all kinds of animals, and lots of them live on the farm. So let's get started with our hello and namaste song. Bring your hands together. Take a deep breath into your nose and breathe out. Here we go. Slap, clap, slap, clap. Hello, hello, hello and namaste. 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 Namaste, everybody. Thank you for being here, taking nice deep breaths with me, and treating your body well. Doing all of these movements makes our body and our mind feel so much better. Let's get started with our story, Yogi Yogi. Sit up tall. Yogi Yogi, what do you see? I see a cow looking at me. Our first pose, cow pose. Come on to your hands and your knees. Look up towards the sky and let out a nice long moo. Good. Try that again. Moo. Good job. Okay, let's see who could be next. Cow, cow. What do you see? I see a cat looking at me. Our cat and our cow poses. Let's first do cat. Hands and knees again, but this time press your back up to the sky and look down at your knees. Press, 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 and say, meow, meow. Good. Now let's see, our cat and our cow are best friends. So let's do them together. Cow, moo, and cat, meow. Cow, moo, and cat, meow. Try one more time. Cow, moo, and cat, meow. Now shake your tail a little bit side to side, and let's see who's next. Little cat, what do you see? I see a dog looking at me. That means it's time for downward facing dog. Start the same way, hands and knees. And then lift up your knees. Straighten your legs and look down at your toes. Shake your head yes and no. And breathe like a puppy. A puppy pants. Good. Now can you walk out your legs like you're walking your dog? Bending one knee and then the other. Bend, bend, bend. Excellent job, my friends. Come on back down to your knees and let's see who could be next. Downward facing dog. What do you see? I see a donkey looking at me. Okay, my friends, all of these animals have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna go back again to our hands and our knees like we have 4 legs. Look behind you. Make sure that there's no one or anything behind you. This donkey likes to kick. Ready? Lift up one leg, kick it back, and then switch the other leg, kick it back. Now try to do one leg, the other leg, one leg, the other leg. Good job, keep switching. Good job. Can we try to do that with our hands too and kick with our front legs? Ready? Reach one hand and then switch. And switch again. One hand, the other hand. One hand, the other hand. One hand, the other hand. Excellent job, everybody. Whew, shake out your hands. Those are some awesome donkey kicks. Okay, let's see who's next. Donkey, donkey, what do you see? I see a horse looking at me. Look at this big horse. He has 4 legs too, but because he's so big, we're going to stand up for our horse pose. First, spread your legs out wide like you're riding a big horse. And then try to point your toes out. Okay, reach your hands out like this. Grab hold of your reins and bend your knees, sitting gently on your horse. It's going to be a bumpy ride. So we're going to breathe in when we stand up and breathe out when we bend our knees. Let's do that together. Ready? Keep going. One more time. And then take this horse for a little gallop. Good job, my friends. All right, let's see what animal is next. Big horse, big horse. What do you see? I see a chicken looking at me. Wow, this little chicken is much smaller than a horse. And look, he only has 2 legs. 1, 2. Let's do our chicken pose. Stand up. And this time, spread your feet only a little bit apart. Point your toes out. Bring your hands together, namaste. And bend your knees, squatting all the way down like a little chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Now, see if you can spread your chicken wings open and switch, open, and back to the center. Let's stand up, spread your wings. Excellent job. All right, my friends, let's see. We have one more animal. I wonder who it could be. Chicken, chicken, what do you see? I see a pig looking at me. Oh, this little pig. So this little pig is gonna burrow himself in the mud. Watch this. Okay, put your knees on the floor like this. Put your arms by your side like this. And then put your head all the way down to the floor like this. And rock your head and your hips side to side. Squished in the mud. Squish in the mud. Good. Now lift yourself all the way back up. And let's do that on our backs. This little pig rolling all around in the mud. Come on your back. Hug your knees in and roll side to side. Side to side. Good. Good. Now that our story is over and we have met all of our farm animals, lay down and take a rest on the farm. You can close your eyes and think of all the animals that you met today. The cat and the cow, the dog and the donkey, the horse and the chicken, and that little pig who rolls around in the mud. What a fun adventure it's been at the farm today. It's nice to take a rest and just breathe. Pretend you're watching the clouds go by. Good. Now lift yourself all the way back up. Crisscross your legs. Bring your hands together. Namaste, everyone. Let's sing our goodbye song together. Slap, clap, slap, clap. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye and namaste. 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 Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me for our story, Yogi Yogi, where we got to meet lots of different animals from the farm. We'll see those animals again next time, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye, everybody.